Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so we're still just consolidating in this range. It's some of the most sedate price action we've seen in all of 2022. The bands aren't particularly tight, but on a relative basis they are. But it's just, it's been 8 sessions since this initial pop back on the 10th. We're hanging out between the 200 and the 100, and we're really starting to flatten out. You can see it on the hourly. I mean, this Bollinger Bandwidth, this thing is flatlined. Absolutely flatlined. We've been consolidated in other spots, but I mean, this is some of the most, you're talking about 0.54, things like that on the bandwidth, which is really tight. I was saying in the room yesterday, I'm not sure this keeps all the way through the holiday. Meaning I think we get some resolution, he tried to say, as we head into Thanksgiving. Whether that's today, tomorrow, you can see that we're trying to come out a little bit here. They had a nice push. Europe sold it, then they bought it. They're up here to test the 9-day, up and around 39.75. You see the weekly pivot 39.78, 25. Yesterday was really just about continuing to just kind of melt back into that hourly mid area, 58 to 60. We traded. We didn't trade a ton yesterday. We traded more than we wanted to yesterday. And I'll be the first one to admit, I was, kind of playing both sides of it, seeing if we were going to get the resolution yesterday afternoon. We did not. And, tight tape like that. We had the day made. We actually ended up with the day not made, which is the first time that's happened in calendar year 2022. So, but as like I was saying, it's like, look, we can stop and keep our day, or we can keep trading the setups as they come. I would rather trade the setups as they come because, in the bigger scheme of things, months, over the months and the years and everything, doing 2 handles instead of doing more than 4 handles on a particular day is not a huge issue in the big scheme of things. So we tried a couple of things, but look, they just couldn't follow through, up or down. So as we head into today, we're going to have to see what does the 9-day want to do to the upside. You got volume weighted average price, daily pivot, the proprietary moving average, and the hourly mid-band all sitting between 59 and 65. So this little area, if it continues to melt in between, it's going to look a heck of a lot like yesterday. So yesterday was a false breakout, a false breakdown, then it just kind of triangled in between, and you had little triangles inside of bigger triangles, which is just a series of lower highs and higher lows and a road to absolutely nowhere. But with, the first thing I said was, with this thing flatlined like this, it's not sustainable. So the only question is, do we get a big resolution or a small resolution, or a little bit of both? It could go any of a number of ways. The only thing I would say, and as much to myself as to anybody else, is do what you can not to overtrade. Even if it means you got to sit out large portions of the day, which we did do. That may be what is in order again today if we can't get some kind of a resolution. So it's at the point now where you can really kind of wait and see, upper hourly band, lower hourly band. What does it want to do? Just respect your risk, take your profits where you find them, and just go from there. That's all you can do in a consolidation. And understand that this is the normal action of the market. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is a big, long, deep inhale. And it'll exhale. And we'll see that, I would imagine that's going to set up the tone of the tape headed into the end of December, into the holidays. So everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. And I will catch everybody tomorrow. Again, we'll do webcasts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nothing Thursday. I'll probably trade Friday morning, so we'll do a webcast Friday. So 4 out of the 5 days this week, there'll be a webcast. All right, take care. Talk to you tomorrow.